The Finger Lakes region of New York is a breathtaking destination filled with charming towns, rolling vineyards, and sparkling lakes. Ithaca, home to Cornell University, is one of the most vibrant cities in the region. The city's famous waterfalls, over 150 of them, give it a natural beauty unlike anywhere else. Visitors can hike the stunning gorges at Buttermilk Falls or Treman State Park. Downtown Ithaca offers an artsy vibe with cozy cafés, live music, and farm-to-table restaurants. Skaneateles, known for its crystal-clear lake, feels like a scene from a postcard. The town's boutique shops, lakeside dining, and historic inns make it perfect for a relaxing getaway. Every summer, the Skaneateles Festival fills the town with music and culture. Geneva, located on Seneca Lake, blends small-town charm with modern sophistication. Wine lovers flock here for its proximity to the Seneca Lake Wine Trail. The city's lakeside promenade and scenic views make it ideal for sunset strolls. Watkins Glen, at the southern tip of Seneca Lake, is famous for its breathtaking state park. The park's gorge trail winds through 19 waterfalls, creating a magical experience for visitors. Watkins Glen is also a hub for racing fans, hosting events at the legendary Watkins Glen International Track. Canandaigua, meaning the chosen spot, lives up to its name with stunning lake views and historic charm. Its Sonnenberg Gardens and Mansion State Historic Park offer a glimpse into 19th century elegance. The town's vibrant waterfront hosts festivals, boat cruises, and outdoor dining in the summer. Hammondsport, located on Seneca Lake, is a hidden gem for wine enthusiasts. It's known as the cradle of aviation for its connection to aviation pioneer Glenn Curtiss. The charming village square and lakeside wineries make Hammondsport feel timeless. Auburn, near Owasco Lake, blends history and art with natural beauty. Visitors can explore Harriet Tubman's home and the Seward House Museum. The Merry-Go-Round Playhouse in Emerson Park adds a touch of theater magic. Penn, another Seneca Lake favorite, offers peaceful farmland, friendly locals, and delicious craft beverages. Each city around the Finger Lakes brings its own character, beauty, and flavor to the region. Together, they create one of the most scenic and welcoming destinations in the northeastern United States.